said gave you, because considering he had worked with Prakash before you actually signed on?
The only thing that Seth told me was that you'll be up all night learning the Shubh Hindi dialogue, so be prepared. I was extremely stressed when I landed in Bhopal. I was like, oh my god, Prakash Jha, what is he going to make me do? You know, on those heavy duty lines. But I think it's been one of my best experiences. And why do you think, Prakash ji, that I won't understand the meaning? I didn't realize because I'm just what?
Because all throughout the film, when she was performing seriously, Prakash was singing only one song. She kept singing that song. You know, she was coming out of the... I was trying to get her unstuck from the Flamingo effect.
Thank you, all three.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we go ahead further, Prakash ji, there's a surprise element, so I'd like Prakash ji to do the honors.
Ladies and gentlemen, you will be extremely happy to know that Mr. Bachchan is going to join us as well. And here he is, live from Mumbai.
Sir, an honor to have you here in Dubai. Hello?
Good afternoon, sir.
सर आपकी आवाज़ ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दे रही।
ये थोड़ा टेक्नोलॉजी में जरा सा प्रॉब्लम हो गया, लेकिन आपकी आवाज बहुत क्लियर आ रही है. We are all extremely happy and everybody is very happy to have you amongst us.
Thank you so much for having me on Skype, and particularly those two ladies sitting in front of me who expressed their extreme joy. And the one with the white profile was taking the photograph. Thank you so much.
Well, anyone would like to ask a question?
Yes.
Hello sir, this is Manju Ramanan from Filmfare Middle East. I'd like to ask you a question on your character in the film. There's a scene in the film where you are shown slapping an official, a government official, and your role, what we understand, is of a modern day Gandhi. Now the slap, and is there a new definition of what Gandhi would be today also through the character?
I'm sorry, the quality of the audio is not very good. I couldn't catch most of your question, but I think what you were asking me was why I chose to do this role and what the character is all about. The role was not chosen by me, it was chosen by the director and producer Prakash ji, who is sitting in front of you. When he designed this story, he felt that the character that he had in mind needed to be played by me, and when he narrated the idea to me, I readily accepted. Prakash ji has always been concerned with cinema that talks about socio-political matters, issues that relate to the system, the faults or perhaps the benefits, and he felt that my role should be played by me. He's a very moralistic sort of a gentleman who's been an ex-principal of a school, and he's really, the story is about a father that is in search of a son, and a son who is in search of a father. And that is how the story reflects through Ajay Devgan, who is the leading man of the film, and through Kareena Kapoor, who's the leading lady, who plays a prominent journalist, and how she brings what is going on in the life of these people out to the people of the country, and how a very silent revolt, a peaceful, silent revolt takes place due to circumstances that take place in the system.
Thank you very much.
So we have another question from the lady whom you were just saying hi to.
I couldn't hear that.
So another question from the lady you were saying hi to. What is the question?
Mr. Bachchan, this is Rizia from ARY News. Over the last few months, whenever there have been issues about women's safety in India, you've often spoken about it, talking about the rape cases that have happened. Do you think that part of the reason that perhaps women are not so safe is because corruption is so widespread amongst the different structures in India?
Couldn't get a word of that part.
I shall try to.
Prakash, maybe if you just gave me the gist of the question, because I can hear you better than the ladies.
So right. She was asking the safety of women in India, is it compromised because of the corruption in the society?
I'm happy that you asked this question, because I feel that there is a misconception in the minds of many people that India has become unsafe for women. And I was recently reading an article where an analysis has been done by some very senior and very capable institutes. And the largest number of such incidents that happen in the world, the United States of America is number 1. And India comes somewhere 6th or 7th or even 10th, something like that. So I'm not saying that this is a very good sign, of course not. Any incident like this that happens against women is deplorable and must be punished with the severest of punishment. But I think there's been a lot of attention that has been drawn towards what's happened in India. And that is one of the reasons that I think Prakash explained very well in one of his interviews, where he said that there is the feeling of uprising, of fighting against any kind of oppression, where the youth and perhaps most of the people were not getting an opportunity or were not coming together to express their feelings. And this film just does that. It extends its focus and its canvas to the youth, that if the system is not coming forward to help such incidents, then it is time to come up and express your voice and revolt peacefully. All such incidents are deplorable, but we are very disturbed by it. We have done a lot in our own capacity through social messages. We are trying to tell the system that there should be quick justice, and the offender should be punished with the severest of punishment that is available in the legal course of our country. Yeah.
Any more questions?
I had a question that wasn't answered properly. Can you explain?
1 second, there is one there. Yeah, please.
अमिताभ जी, मैं अनंत चतुर्वेदी फ्रॉम मथुरा। मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो सत्याग्रह का जो रोल हुआ है वो किस से प्रेरित है, लाइक अन्ना हजारे और महात्मा गांधी?
ये पूछ रहे हैं अनंत चतुर्वेदी जी मथुरा से आए हैं। ये पूछ रहे हैं कि अन्ना हजारे से प्रेरित है आपका रोल कि गांधी जी से प्रेरित है?
ये तो आप ही बेहतर जवाब दे सकते हैं।
नहीं सर, लेकिन जो आइडिया आया है उस चीज का कि जो करप्शन,
मैं इस प्रश्न को आपसे बाद में, जब सर नहीं रहेंगे हमारे साथ, तो हम आपके प्रश्न का उत्तर दे देंगे, बड़े अच्छे से दे देंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू।
मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि ये समाज के किसी वर्ग से भी ऐसा एक चरित्र जो है वो खड़ा हो सकता है। एक ऐसी शख्सियत जो बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाती है या देखती है कि जो सिस्टम है उसके खिलाफ काम हो रहा है और लोग जो है वो पीड़ित हो रहे हैं उससे, तो ज़ाहिर है कि कहीं ना कहीं एक आवाज़ उठती है। और शायद ये सोच करके प्रकाश जी ने इस किरदार को बनाया।
मैं आपके प्रश्न उत्तर में जोड़ना ये चाहूंगा कि इस व्यक्ति की व्यक्तिगत व्यथा एक सामाजिक उत्पीड़न में परिवर्तित हो जाती है। प्रश्न की उत्तर समझ में आ रहा है किसी को? मथुरा के चतुर्वेदी जी समझ जाएंगे इस उत्तर को। और तब जो आंदोलन होता है वो अहिंसात्मक गांधीवादी आंदोलन होता है। लेकिन
मथुरा कह रहे हैं, मथुरा के पेड़ बहुत पसंद
मैं कोशिश यही कर रहा हूं कि वो पेड़े मुझ तक आए तो मैं आप तक पहुंचाऊं।